Everyone today is doing GoPro videos, and PGYTECH has the perfect way to mount them. NAB 2024, I'm at the PGYTECH booth with Steve.
Yep.
And Steve, you just showed me the Mantis tripod, I guess.
Yeah.
Can you explain what is so special about this tripod?
Yeah, actually, this is our first generation Mantispod. Most special part is that I have a hook there, and you can hand over something that you can take a video and shoot the video that normally you can't shoot it. I think that's the most significant features of that.
I can see why it's called Mantis. So this is awesome, and it's also a tripod. You can mount it upside down. You can get a top-down shot. So a lot of options there. And I see a cable going on here. Can you tell me a little bit about what is this cable for? Is it for power, for control? What can you do?
Yeah, actually, you can use the remote controller. You can take the picture and shooting the video, and turn off and turn on. Yeah.
So is this Bluetooth? So you get Bluetooth range?
Yeah, Bluetooth. Yeah.
So there's a battery. What size is the battery?
5,000 milliamps. Yeah.
So it's even bigger than the GoPro battery.
Definitely, you can charge it for 2.5 times. Both of them can work. But we have a different version. One is for GoPro and one is for Insta360. Yeah.
So you need to decide which one you're buying, right? So if you own a GoPro, get a GoPro version. If you own an Insta360, get an Insta360 version.
Yeah, basically, I think the most part of are totally same. Just the controller is a little bit different. Yeah.
Of course, because they each have their own little secret sauce.
Yeah.
How much will this tripod cost?
Actually, this one haven't released yet, so basically we just decide the price. But I think probably around $16. Yeah.
Around $60-ish.
Yeah, I think around like this. I think it's durable for most of the people. Yeah, to use that one. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely. They're selling it without all the bangs and whistles for $60. Do you have an expected release date?
Actually, no, but I think it's at the end of May.
Okay, so this has been the Mantis tripod. Very interesting name, very interesting product here at NAB 2024. Stick around, we're going to show you more awesome products from the NAB floor.